What's good, everybody? It's Rob, RP3 Tech Reviews, back with another video. I have here in front of me the Xperia XA2, the smaller version. This is not the Ultra, for Sony for unlocked phones in the US. I'm about to unbox it and give you a quick run through or setup and let you know what I think. I just got it in not too long ago, so I'm seeing it for the first time. You guys are seeing it on this video. Boom. Let's see what's on the inside. Never owned a Sony before. Books, guides, and other stuff that people don't read. You can stop that and read that if you want to. And let's check out the cable. It is Type C. All right, let's check this out. So not much, just your basic setup. No headphones, no nothing. But it is a unlock budget phone, the Xperia 2. If you want to see the Xperia XA2 Ultra, head over to my boy's channel from Team 100 Forbes Tech Review. He has all the coverage for the larger XA2 Ultra. So you're going to see pretty much almost similar coverage, but this is going to be on a much smaller level. Nice phone. I like this. Got a nice body. Even though this is a 5.2-inch screen, it's a nice size phone. I usually prefer the larger phones, but hey, I'm going to give this one a run. Got a fingerprint sensor on the back. 5.2-inch edge-to-edge HD 1080p with a 2.5 Corning Gorilla Glass on this one. Does have a 23 megapixel main camera with a 1.23 Exmor RS mobile imaging sensor. It does have a 25 megapixel wide angle f2.0 lens. You can shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second in slow motion. Front facing camera is a 8 megapixel with a 120 degree super wide angle lens for my boy Android Stud, who likes the wide angles. Don't ask me, just ask him. It does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 Octa-core processor on board, an always on fingerprint sensor, which is pretty nice. 3300 milliamp battery, and SmartAmp for a more immersive sound, which is a feature on Sony phones. This is compatible with AT&T, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, MetroPCS, Cricket Wireless, Simple Mobile, and other GSM networks that I have yet to name. It does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and a microphone right there. USB Type C on the back with a speaker. Nice single firing speaker on the back. Don't know if it got one in the earpiece. I had to test that out. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with it. You do have your own camera button right here. Power button, volume rocker. SIM card tray, where you don't need a SIM card ejector. You just have to have a little bit of a fingernail to reach in there and pull it out. You can load your SIM card on this, and it does have an area set up where you can put your SD card in there. I think up to 256 gigabytes. All right, let's check out the fingerprint sensor. All right, next. That was pretty fast. That was pretty fast. Let's just do another one. That was pretty fast. I like how that was done. All right, I'll do another one later on. finish. You're ready to go. Here's the initial screen. Now that I got the phone here, let me do some size comparisons really quick. All right, let's check out the size. It's slightly taller than the iPhone 10. Way more thicker than the iPhone 10, but I don't mind that. And this is wider, more wider than the regular iPhone. All right, let's see what else I got over here. Let's compare the V30. From a thickness standpoint, the Sony is thicker, but the LG is taller and wider than the Xperia. Here's the iPhone 8 Plus, which is probably the largest phone I have available in front of me right now. And this phone just fits right up under the camera of an iPhone 8 Plus. So even though this phone has a 5.2-inch screen, it does have a nice size. It's probably because of the large bezels above and below the screen. I'm quite sure the large bezels on top is for the camera sensors. Anyhow, all right guys, well that's my initial setup and unboxing of the Sony Xperia 5.2-inch. You can get this phone unlocked at Best Buy, and you can also get it on Amazon. This is the 32 gigabyte variant. Again, budget phone. I think this is $350 plus tax in Michigan makes this $370. Please follow my channel, subscribe, thumbs up this video for more coverage on this. I'm going to do a lot more videos with this phone, camera testings, and some other stuff. So stay tuned. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.